Alright, welcome back. I'm Ashkin and let's get started. So far, we have learned what's a machine learning, where it is used, how it works, how a machine learning model is created, and etc. Now we are going to start a new chapter called facial recognition. We'll learn what's a facial recognition, how it works, and we'll make real projects such as cartoon eyes following your faces. But before that, in this video, I'm going to show you a machine learning experiment which requires no coding and it will recognize different emotions. Go to Teachable Machine, scroll it a little bit down and click on this blue link where it says first version Teachable Machine. If you click on Let's Go button, it will guide you how to use this machine, but we don't need it. Therefore, I will click on this Skip the Tutorial button. If this web page wants access to your microphone and camera, just allow it. As you see that the model has three sections. The first section is input, which is my camera. The second section is learning, which has three classes, green, purple and orange. The last one is output, where machine responds to you. Right now it's set to respond with one of these three GIFs. Okay, first of all, I'm going to teach the green class to recognize that I'm happy. In order to do that, I just hold the green button for a couple of seconds and make my face looks like a happy face. As you note that I try to look at the camera from different angles with my very happy face. Now you see that the green bar is up with high confidence and it's showing the white cat GIF. However, green is up no matter what I do. That is because machine is looking at my input and deciding which class it's most similar to. So far I have only trained one class. That's why everything looks most similar to that one. So let's teach the second class to recognize that I am surprised. Now I will hold the purple button for a couple of seconds and make my face looks like a surprised face. When I'm happy, it shows a white cat. When I am surprised, it shows the second GIF. But sometimes it's confused. The bars up and down because it's not sure is it the green class or purple class. Maybe if we have used more examples like hundreds of images, we will be able to increase the confidence score. Now I'm going to try the orange class with my angry face. Okay, as you see that when my face looks like a happy face, the green bar is up. But when my face looks like a surprise face, the purple bar is up. But when my face looks like an angry face, then of course this orange, or we can say that actually it's not orange, actually it's I think red. So this red bar is up. Okay, we have somehow trained our machine. Sometimes your machine might not work. You can learn a lot by thinking about your examples and trying different approaches. So this experiment may look like it recognizes faces, but it just analyzes the whole screen. What I mean is, it's possible to differentiate banana and apple using this machine learning model. I mean that this model specifically doesn't look for faces, then detects them and identify it's a sad face, surprise face, angry face, happy face or whatever it is. However, it's able to recognize the face by analyzing the whole picture. But of course, the confidence score will be low and it will fluctuate between the classes. Great, you have just had the sense of facial recognition. Now I'm going to teach you what really is facial recognition and where they are used in our everyday life, and I will be waiting for you in the next video where we'll start doing exactly that.